Now you've learned how to write regular captions, the two-sentence rule. First sentence is present tense and answers the 5 W's. Second sentence is past tense and it gives you background information. Now we're going to talk about ID captions. As you can see, we have a title for this ID, so we don't need to actually write it down here in the caption. Fit Club. However, if we did not have the Fit Club title up here, we'd actually start typing it down here, and that would be one sentence. Fit Club. Now we have 2 rows, so we're going to type in first row and a colon, space after it, Liz Tyson, comma to separate. Actually, we're going to back up. We're going to take the comma out because there's only 2 people in this row. We're going to put and Riley Roush. If there was multiple people in this row, we would put Liz Tyson, comma, Alex Steckline, comma, Sarah Stevenson, and Riley Roush. So if you use the word and, which you will prior to the very last person in that row, you can omit the comma before the and. This is another sentence, so you're going to end it with a period. So we have 2 sentences so far. The ID, which we don't really need it because we have it up here, but I wanted to show you how you would type it if you did not have the ID. First row starts the second sentence. First is capitalized, the F, but not R in row. Colon, space, okay? That lists the student's name, comma, separating them, unless it's the very last name. Then you omit the comma and put the word and, following the last name with a period. The second sentence, well, there's only 2 rows in this, so we're going to put back row. Okay. B is capitalized because it's the start of a sentence, and then row is not, the R in row. Then we do colon, space, and then the next person's name. And what do you think next? Do we do a comma? If you said no, you are correct, because we're going to replace the comma with the word and. And Anthony McNally. What is next? We got to end this sentence, right? Started with the word back, it ends with our last student in the row, so we're going to end that with a period. Okay, now we're going to do some formatting. Okay, once you learn about color, you're going to format your caption. So the ID actually stands out. You can use a color block behind it or change the color of font. And then we want the rows to stand out, so that's why we colorize them. And we can also bold them. Whatever your layout has done for you, follow the rule. If they bolded it, add bold. Here I did not. I just set it off by color. So this is an ID caption, different from your regular captions. You will find ID captions in the group section of the yearbook, and also every athletic team will be an ID caption rather than a regular caption.